Benny, can you say bear?
Can you say bee?
Bee.
Can you say horse?
Horse.
Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Can you say agua?
Aqua.
Very good. Can you say dog?
Duck.
Can you say, what else does he know? Apple?
Apple.
Yeah.
Can you say B-U-B or
Can you say bubble?
Bubble.
Very good. Can you say hot?
Hot.
Can you say hat?
Hot.
Yeah. Can you, what else do they know?
It's up and down.
Can you say mommy?
Mommy.
Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say Grammy? Can you say Grammy yet? No, no Grammy. Can you say up?
and-
Up?
Up.
Can you say down?
Ow.
Down.
Down.
Can you say juice? Can you say juice?
Benny,
Can you say juju?
can you say juice?
Juice?
Can you say sticker?
Choo-choo.
Doo-doo. What else?
Can you say bop?
Pop.
Can you say
Truck?
Tra.
Yeah. Train? Train?
Two.
can you say car?
Car.
Can you say beep beep?
Beep beep.
Can you say baby?
Beep beep. Mommy.
That's right. He's the
Daddy.
pictures over there
Those are pictures
Mommy.
of us.
of us, yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, say bye. Can you say bye-bye?
He doesn't say that word anymore. I don't know why.
Oh. Okay. Good
Bye.
night.